Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. So as we know, we are celebrating this September month as National Nutrition Month. On this occasion, I have prepared multi-millet pizza, which is basically based on the concept of one pot meal, which means balanced meal or one complete meal. So now, why should we create awareness about this one pot meal? Number 1, it will give us the feeling of satisfaction. 2, provide required nutrition. 3, it will be a perfect blend of different variety of food and colors. So here it is a multi-millet pizza. Without wasting time, let's check out the recipe.